So this is US oil, also known as WTI analysis for Thursday, the 5th of October. Now, what have we seen happen on oil? Let's go out to the higher time frames. I was expecting oil to break out to the upside, to go on to test 1260. This was obviously on the monthly time frame, so it is quite a bit away. But price is not being very cooperative at the moment. We have seemed to price seems to be confined within this range, but until it breaks pretty much the 1253, well 1255 level, we can expect months of upward and downward price action. So if we go that to the weekly, let's just have a look at the weekly. Let's just see where we are. On the weekly, the consolidative range is more pronounced. It's more easily seen there. Top of the range again can be seen. And obviously we've got where was that? That was in 2015, $60 a barrel oil. So the weekly time frame, as you can see on this, can't see very well, but we are trading below this week's open. Let's go into the daily chart. On the daily chart, here we are. So, like for those who like chart patterns, they'll look at this and say this was an inverted head and shoulders. So you've got a shoulder over here, and that was in May. We've got the head, that was in June, and you could say over here this is another shoulder. That's the end of August, September. So price. So that was bullish price action, which, to be fair, it did play out as charted. It did play out as charted on this daily time frame. But what I came onto the daily time frame, even though you don't use it a lot, is to show you the importance of multiple time frame analysis. Now, that candle right there on the 28th of the 9th, 20th of September. What have we seen? We've seen prices go all the way up to 52.80 to test the level, which was a previous week pivot from several months back. And what's happened? Prices rejected from that level and in fact closed down bearish. So there's a bit of a wick. Prices come down and closed bearish. That, after seeing this it was a pretty prominent trend to the upside, should have been a cause for concern. I do not look at the daily time frame that much, and I suppose I wouldn't want to jump the gun in terms of a trade. So if I would have taken that as a potential reversal, it would have been a great decision. Now, as you can see, especially on the weekly time frame, the daily time frame, sorry, we are seeing a bearishness within the oil market. So if we go out to the hourly, it's more pronounced here. We've had a big sell-off downwards and another big sell-off again. Went into consolidative range, had another sell-off, pulled back a little bit, and another sell-off. So again, we've had a breakdown from 50.40. So 49.60 being the next potential area where we might see prices bounce. After which 48.80 comes into focus. To the upside, where do I expect prices to go? Well, firstly, prices would have to break above 50.40 and hold before a continuation potentially to 51.57. But we'd have to we'd have to navigate this moving average just here, which is a 200 period moving average, and it is currently sitting at around 51.23. Currency now 51.23. So my overall bias on this market as we are currently trading beneath the weekly pivot is bearish. I'll be looking at 49.60 as potential support and 48.80. So before I go, LCS, like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching.